everybody and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be unboxing BOLZANO. This was sent to me by them and I'm very grateful. They also give me a coupon code that I'm gonna be putting here for you to go there in their website. Also in the description box down below I'm gonna be putting the link for their website. You can use that coupon code that I just gave it to you. I think it's HEIDIGIFT if I'm not mistaken. Let me double check. Yeah, it is HEIDIGIFT. So don't forget to use that coupon and that is gonna give you a $45 gift. So they will send you a $45 gift with that coupon and just go ahead and enjoy whatever they give you. So this is a subscription bag that is $33. I'm gonna put the price here also. It's $33 or almost $34 every month and includes the bag. I'm gonna put all the materials here again. This is very new for me. I received this not too long ago. I've been trying to make this video. So I think this is the bag for March, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure if this is April, but I'm pretty sure it should be March. So let's open it up and see. I'm very curious about this bag. So this is going to be open right now, and again, I haven't never seen anything about this bag before. This is 100% first impression, like most of the things that I do here in this channel. So I'm gonna give you my honest review on this. So I hope that I like it because they were so nice in sending me this. So let's put the bag over there. So it comes like this. And it has this little note in here and it says the name of the brand. This is a dust bag. So let's see how it is. Okay, so here's a note. It tells you a little bit about the brand, and yeah, it's a little bit about the brand basically. And let's see what else it says in here. This is a little card and it has the actual website in here. So let's open this. Whoa, look at that color. This is actually very pretty color. I like it, very summery. I like it, don't you guys? It's very pretty. I like it. And it has something here outside too. Let's see what is in this. Here we have, this is a necklace and earrings. This is so pretty. Let me look at it. Made my day. They made my day. This is so pretty. I love them, love them, love them, love them, love them, love them. They're so cute. I really like them. They're so pretty. Oh my god, I like it. Okay, let's move on. All right, so if you notice, this is the shape of the bag and it hangs like this. It has a zipper here and I like these compartments here because if you want to put something in there, your phone or something for easy access, is very nice. It also has this chain here. It has a heart here. It's a chain. You can remove it if you want to use something else in there or you want to use this in another bag. You can definitely remove it. It's very pretty. It's a heart. I like it. It has the V in it, VO. So let me put it back because I really like this bag. It's so pretty. It's a very nice size. Also, another thing that I forgot to mention is that they, when you go to their website and you subscribe to them, they give you a quiz. So they have an idea what kind of type of bags you like. It's not completely random. They ask you, you like this, you like those, you like this shape, you like this shape better, and then you decide which one you like, which one you want to get. And they ask you like a good 20 questions, maybe 15 questions. I don't remember how many answers. But let's open this and see what is inside. Here we go. This is the interior. It's a little difficult to pick. It has a zipper in here. Because it's black, it's difficult. And it has 2 compartments in here. I don't know if I can be able to show you properly. It's hard to show. Like this is the zipper, and those are the compartments. There you go. Those are 2 compartments in here. Yes. I mean, in general, the bag is very, very pretty. But I'm just so happy with my earrings. They're so pretty, and my necklace. I don't know if they send a little thing every time, every month. I'm not so sure about that part, but oh my god, I love the earrings. I'm super, super happy with the earrings. They're so pretty. I really like it. So there you have it, guys. I really like. It's very secure because it has a zipper. So let me close it and show you. So it has a zipper. See, it's completely secure, everything that you have inside, and on top of that has this click here too. So I mean, more secure than that it couldn't be. Let me show you. Stand up. Not bad, eh? Not bad. It's very pretty. I like it. Very, very pretty. There you have it, guys. This is the bag that I received from PR, from BOLZANO. So if you are interested on getting those $45 free gift, so I bet it's maybe something nice like this, or maybe a bag. I'm not so sure what exactly they meant by $45 worth a gift. I guess it could be something like this. Not so sure. But if you want that, don't forget to go and check them out. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!